And another development today is about Thai Airways, Kun Thep Chai. Finally, the Central Bankruptcy Court has accepted the Thai Airways international case and set the first hearing for August, with the restructuring process expected to take 5 years.
That's
for
right.
rehabilitation of the Thai Airways.
Certainly, this comes as a piece of good news for people who want to see the national flag carrier succeed in its rehabilitation. So the process will go like this. After the court accepted the rehabilitation petition from the carrier today, all the Thai Airways will be protected from creditors with this so-called automatic stay. And the carrier will continue to operate, and its employees, about 20,000 of them altogether, will keep their jobs.
Yeah.
And then the next step, after the court endorses the rehabilitation plan, administrators will be appointed to run the plan. And of course, the rehabilitation will certainly result in restructuring and cost cutting. That most likely would lead to cutting unprofitable routes and downsizing of the airline staff, Kunata.
Yeah, in terms of timeline, it's very interesting because it will take quite a long time. And today, Deputy Prime Minister Wisanu Kruangam said that the court would likely to take about 3 months, considering rehabilitation petition. It will take about 6 months to submit a rehabilitation plan to the court, and then the rehabilitation process itself will take about 5 years. So from now on until next 5 years, we will see how Thai Airways will have to change all the operation system.
And of course, the Thai Airways International is not the only airline that is seeking protection from the bankruptcy court. Most recently, the LATAM Airlines, the biggest airlines in Latin America, has also gone down the same route, seeking bankruptcy protection by filing so-called Chapter 11 in the U.S. court. But in Germany, a different approach is being taken, right?
Yeah.
Lufthansa, which is
Lufthansa,
also
yes.
suffering heavily as the result of the pandemic. Instead of going through rehabilitation like Thai Airways or LATAM Airlines do, it seeks help from the government. And the German government has decided to throw in a lifeline worth over 9 billion euros to help the airlines weather through this most difficult time. So let's see later which approach will turn out to be more effective.
Yeah, it's totally opposite side from Thailand for Lufthansa, because it means the government will take control of this carrier in Germany.
But in fact, the Thai Airways was just a step away from going down the same route.
Yeah.
When a few weeks ago, there was a request
Right.
for the finance ministry to guarantee a loan totaling 50 billion baht to help out the Thai national airline. But because of the strong reaction, even from the members of the public, the government decided to shelve the plan and instead have the airlines go through rehabilitation.
Yeah. And someone said this is the only way to go for Thai Airways. And the Prime Minister said that he has made his own final decision.